Here's my favorite way to make the best eggplant. Start by slicing your eggplant into planks that are 1/4 inch thick. Place the planks onto a wire rack and liberally sprinkle them with salt. This will season the eggplant, but most importantly, this will pull out the excess water. Let the eggplant sit for 20 minutes, then pat them dry. For the dredge, combine breadcrumbs, parsley, dried oregano, lemon zest, and pecorino. Coat the eggplant in plain flour, egg wash, and lastly the breadcrumbs. For the sauce, saute julienne onions in some olive oil for about a minute. Then add in sliced garlic and Calabrian chili. Cook this down for about 5 minutes, then add in cherry tomatoes. Cook this on medium-low heat until the tomatoes are just softened. This should take about 8 minutes. Season with salt, then add in a touch of butter and finish with fresh basil. Now fry off your eggplant. I'm using a combo of olive oil and avocado oil. Fry these for about 3 minutes per side until they're golden brown and crispy. Now plate up the eggplant, spoon over that tomato sauce, shave over some parm, and I'm finishing this off with my homemade basil oil and Calabrian chili oil. And now it's ready to enjoy.
Why are eggplant rolls so crispy in restaurants? Why do they taste so good? It's because they secretly add this ingredient, and today, I'm going to share this method with everyone. First, use a peeler to cut the eggplants into pieces. Mix minced meat with scallions, salt and pepper, 12 spices, soy sauce, and a spoon of cornstarch. The meat filling should be evenly spread, then roll them up like I did. A small crispy meat powder, this is the key to crispness. Add half a bowl of water and stir until it is all mixed together, then add the cooking oil and mix well. Coat the eggplant with the batter and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Until it is crispy, then remove from pan. This method makes eggplant rolls very crispy and crunchy. Loved by both children and adults.
Perfect fried eggplant. This recipe is simple, but it's so special to me. It was one of my favorite things my nana made when I was growing up. Slice your eggplant into rounds that are about 1/4 inch thick. Fill up a large bowl with cold water and add in some salt, then submerge your eggplants into the water and let them sit for about 1 to 2 hours, placing them on a paper towel when they're done. This process gets out all the bitterness in the eggplant. Then add Italian seasoned breadcrumbs into a bowl with grated Parmesan, oregano, and I like to also add adobo and sazon. Add flour into a separate bowl and season it as well, then dip your eggplant into it, then into whisked eggs and pack on your breadcrumbs. Then deep fry each eggplant on medium heat until golden brown and let them rest on a cooling rack or a paper towel. My nana used to top them off with fresh basil and Parmesan or Romano cheese, but you can also layer them with marinara and mozzarella to make eggplant Parmesan. Follow along for more recipes and enjoy!